What does a $500,000 house actually cost you every month? Let's break it down in all 50 states. In one state, that payment is about $3,300 a month. In another state, it's about $4,200 a month. That is the same house and the same loan with a $900 difference every single month. My name is Sam. I've been doing mortgages for 6 years. I'm also a licensed real estate agent, so I look at these payments every single day. So let's break this payment into its 4 parts. Every mortgage payment has 4 parts. You've got principal and interest, you've got property taxes, you've got homeowners insurance, and you've got mortgage insurance. So quick setup so the math is real. We're buying a $500,000 house and we're putting 5% down, which is $25,000. That leaves us a $475,000 loan on a 30-year fixed at about 6.5%. That's today's average. Part 1 is principal and interest.
Principal and interest.
The principal is the money you actually borrowed. The interest is what the bank charges you for borrowing it. It's one payment doing 2 jobs. And here's the part nobody tells you about. In the early years, most of the payment is going to interest. That schedule is called amortization.
Amortization.
It slowly flips in your favor over 30 years. On our loan, principal and interest comes out to about $3,027 a month. And here's the good news, that number is the same in all 50 states. You can find this with any online loan calculator. Now for the number almost nobody looks up. Part 2 is property taxes.
Property taxes.
Property taxes are what you pay your county every year just for owning the home, and they're based on what the home is worth. And this is where your state changes everything. In Hawaii, the taxes on this house run about $113 a month. In New Jersey, the exact same price runs about $929 a month. So how do you find the real number? You don't guess it, you look it up. Pull up the house on Zillow and scroll down past the price history. The actual property tax bill is sitting right there in the tax history. And if it's not on there, your county publishes it. Search for your county assessor's website, type in the address, and you'll see exactly what the current owner is paying. Now, just as a warning, some owners may have an exemption that you might not qualify for, so double check that as well. That one search can save you from a very bad surprise. Part 3 is homeowners insurance.
Homeowners insurance.
That's the policy that protects the house itself. Fire, storms, earthquakes, all of it. And your lender is going to require it. This will depend on property to property, but I'll use the averages for each state. Where you live drives the price too. In Hawaii, it averages about $67 a month, and in Oklahoma, it averages about $442 a month. Real quick, if you're looking to buy your first home and need a good agent or lender, head over to noobhomebuyer.com/agent, and I'll connect you with a good one. Part 4 is one people forget. Part 4 is mortgage insurance.
Mortgage insurance.
When you put less than 20% down, you pay for insurance that protects the lender, not you, in case the loan goes bad. On our 5% down loan, that's just under $100 a month. I used a 0.25% factor, but this number is affected by your credit score, your debt to income ratio, and the total amount you put down. But here's the good news. Once you build 20% equity, you can ask for it to be removed. All right, let's stack the whole thing up. All 50 states. The 5 cheapest states for this house are Hawaii at about $3,300 a month, then Delaware, Nevada, Idaho, and Utah, all sitting around $3,500. And the 5 most expensive are Connecticut, Texas, Nebraska, New Jersey, and Illinois at about $4,200 a month. And here's the whole country. That's every state on the same purchase price and the same loan with 2026 numbers. Now remember, these are estimates. Your credit, your down payment, and your county may move every single one of these numbers. Of course, you're not going to get the same type of property for $500,000 in Hawaii that you will in Texas. So keep that in mind as well. If you found this video helpful and you're feeling ready to buy your first home, head over to noobhomebuyer.com/agent, and I'll connect you with a good lender or agent. The agent pays me a referral fee once you buy, so it's my goal to help you feel ready and connect you with the best professionals so you can succeed. Either way, I'm rooting for you.
I can feel it getting closer every time I see